Minivan Transformers sa matarik at rough road. Minivan Transformers sa matinding ahon. Pakurbada, rough road, at pahon. Kayang-kaya ng minivan. Hindi lang pang city drive. Minivan sa matarik na ahon. Maliit, pero matibay.
Welcome to Minivan Explorer, your home for road trips. Good food, local stories, and hidden travel gems around the Philippines. If you love adventures on wheels, you're in the right place. Join me as we discover towns from city streets to mountain roads, from food trips to culture and history. Meet people and appreciate the beauty of traveling in a simple minivan. Please like, share, and subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss another ride, and you're always part of the next story.
Sino ang nagsabing pang city driving lang ang minivan? Dito pinatutunayan ng mga minivan transformers na hindi basta-basta sumusuko ang ating mga minivan. Kahit matarik na paahon, rough road, mabatong daan, at pakurbadang daan na pataas, kayang-kaya nilang harapin ang hamon. Hindi man ito kasing laki ng ibang sasakyan, pero pagdating sa tibay, lakas ng loob at determinasyon, hindi rin basta nagpapahuli. Isa itong patunay na ang minivan transformer ay hindi lang pang araw-araw na biyahe. Kaya, rin itong sumabak sa mas matitinding daan. Rough road, paakyat, pakurbada, challenge accepted. Ito ang tunay na Minivan Explorer. Maliit man pero matibay at palaban. Minivan Explorer. Maliit man pero matibay at palaban. Minivan Transformers sa matarik at rough road. Minivan Transformers sa matinding ahon. Pakurbada, rough road, at pahon. Kayang-kaya ng minivan. Hindi lang pang city drive. Minivan sa matarik na ahon. Maliit, pero matibay. Minivan Transformers sa matarik na ahon.